And welcome back to another macro-friendly cooking session where today I'm whipping up a delicious reduced-calorie peanut butter spread that's not only packed with protein, but it's also incredibly satisfying. With less than half the calories of regular peanut butter for the same serving size, this nutty-looking spread is perfect for those looking for a healthy snack option. For the ingredients you'll need 100 grams of fat-free Greek yogurt, 100 grams of fat-free cream cheese, 50 mils of unsweetened cashew milk or any of the 30-calorie variety milk alternatives, 50 grams of your favorite nut butter spread, and I'm opting for an almond butter, 30 mils of Walden's Farms pancake syrup, 30 grams of vanilla whey protein powder, I'm using Legion's French vanilla whey isolate, 70 grams of peanut butter powder. Use either a food processor or an electric beater to combine all the ingredients until they're well combined and smooth. Now, this delicious reduced-calorie peanut butter can easily be spread on a fluffy English muffin, a banana on toast, your favorite rice cakes, or why not try it with one of my macro-friendly waffles or French toast recipes from my brand new macro-friendly recipe guide. For more mouth-watering macro-friendly recipes, check out the links in my bio, and happy cooking, guys.